check this out, guys. This is a 1985 GMC Jimmy. I believe it's an S-15 they call it. This is the two-door model. It's got the throttle body fuel injection, 2.6 liter V8. Oh, my apologies, it is a 2.8 liter V6 with a throttle body fuel injection. Very nice vehicle. This vehicle is in excellent condition given its age and its originality. It's got air conditioning, power steering, power brakes. It's four-wheel drive, obviously, and it is just super clean inside and out. So I'm gonna fire it up for you. It's got a very nice two-tone paint scheme on it. It has been repainted. This is a repaint, but it's in very good shape. Check out, it's got the cargo rack up top here. Roof is in good shape as well. Check out this interior. This interior, I believe, is all original. Seats, door panels, carpet, dash, all that type of stuff. Matches the outside paint really nice. Check out this dash. These are usually all cracked up. This one is in excellent condition. The seats as well. My apologies, I said 1985 earlier. This is a 1986 GMC Jimmy. Fires right up, nice and easy. You can see it is equipped with a Overdrive automatic transmission, and the mileage is currently showing 119,000 miles. Obviously, it's been very well cared for all that mileage, as you can tell. And this is a power window, power lock. They work nice. Locks work nice. You have air conditioning, which is nice. Got your wipers. Radio is nice. There's your four-wheel drive control down there. Just super clean, this vehicle inside and out. Alright, there you have it in action. A 2.8 liter throttle body fuel injection V8. You can see the compressor is cycling there. Does have cruise control, as you can see there. It's like the water pump appears to be newer. Very nice and tidy under the hood, just like you'd expect for something this clean and original. So if you're interested in this super clean 1986 GMC Jimmy four-wheel drive 2.8 liter fuel injected V6, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. We'll have about 60 to 80 high resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage. You can see how nice and clean it is under there as well. Keep in mind this has a nice newer set of tires on it. Also, it is ready to go. Thanks for watching, and please give us a call if you have any questions. Thanks.